So if you're looking to print screen or take a screenshot on an Android phone, the process is usually the same on almost every Android phone. So what you're going to do is you're going to press the power button and then the volume down button simultaneously. Try to do it in one quick simultaneous click and release, because if you hold the buttons down too long, you'll trigger the power off menu or launch the Google Assistant instead. So, one finger on power button, another on volume down, and one simultaneous click. When I take a screenshot, it shows up down here. I could tap it to open it in a specific application, and usually the screenshots will automatically go either in the Google Photos app or in the Samsung Gallery app, like they do on this Galaxy phone of mine. And speaking of Galaxy, if you're on a Samsung phone like I am here, there's a cool built-in trick to take screenshots that doesn't require any buttons at all. You will basically take your palm and you're going to swipe the edge of your palm across your display from one side to another. So, with the edge of your palm, we're going to swipe from one side to another, and the phone takes a screenshot. I believe it works from either side, so you can swipe from left to right or from right to left. Both ways work the same. Anyways, that's how you print screen and take screenshots on Android phones. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.